Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Daily Flow. We are so happy to have you here with us today. I am Emma.
And I am Kevin. Welcome to the team, everyone.
On this channel, we help you learn real, everyday English. We make it easy and fun.
That's right. If you are ready to play, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us win the game.
Today, we are talking about a very exciting topic. We are talking about sports.
Yes, football, cricket, tennis, swimming, and eating pizza while watching sports.
Eating pizza is not a sport, Kevin.
It should be. I'm a champion eater. I can eat 10 slices.
That is impressive, but today we're talking about physical sports, moving your body.
Oh, that sounds tiring.
But first, Kevin, look at you. How are you today?
I am feeling energetic, Emma. It is a lovely sunny day. And look at my outfit.
I see. You are wearing a headband and wristbands and a jersey and... Are those swimming goggles?
Yes, I am ready for everything. If it rains, I can swim. If it is sunny, I can run. I am a super athlete.
You look a little bit funny, but I like your enthusiasm.
Thank you. I call this look Sporty Kevin.
Audience, do you like sports? Yes or no? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, Emma, let's start with the most popular sport in the world.
That is football or soccer.
I love football. You kick the ball. Kick into the goal.
Yes, in the UK and the world, we call it football. But in America, they call it soccer.
That is confusing.
Yes, because in America, football is a different game where they throw the ball and wear helmets.
Oh, American football, where they crash into each other. Boom.
Yes, but let's talk about soccer. There are 2 teams, 11 players on each team.
And one goalie, goalkeeper.
What does the goalie do?
He stands in the box. He wears gloves. And he stops the ball. He is the only one who can use his hands.
Correct. If another player uses their hands, what happens?
The referee blows the whistle, beep, and he gives a yellow card or a red card.
What is a red card?
It means, goodbye, you have to leave the game. It is very sad.
Do you play football, Kevin?
I tried once. I ran very fast. I kicked the ball.
And
I missed the ball. I kicked the air, and I fell down.
Oh no, did you hurt yourself?
Only my pride. Everyone laughed, but then I bought a hot dog, so I was happy.
You are a better fan than a player.
Yes, I'm a professional spectator.
Audience, do you call it football or soccer? Tell us.
Now let's talk about a sport that is very popular in India, Australia, and the UK. Cricket.
Ah, cricket. It's a gentleman's game.
I love cricket, but I get confused. Is cricket the name of the bug, the insect that jumps? Chirp, chirp.
No, Kevin, it's the game with a bat and a ball.
Oh, right. There's a bowler. He throws the ball.
And the batsman, he hits the ball. Whack.
And they run back and forth. Run, run.
If he hits it very far over the boundary, what is it?
It is a 6. 6 runs. That is the best feeling.
Do you know what a wicket is?
Yes, the 3 sticks in the ground. If the ball hits the sticks, crash. You are out.
Exactly. Cricket games can be very long.
Yes, sometimes they play for 5 days.
That is a test match.
5 days? When do they sleep? When do they eat?
They have a lunch break and a tea break.
Tea break? I love cricket. A sport with tea and biscuits? Sign me up.
I knew you would like the food part.
I want to be the person who eats the biscuits. Can I be a professional biscuit eater?
No, Kevin.
Students, do you like cricket? Who is your favorite player?
Now, let's talk about tennis.
Tennis is fancy. You need a racket and a yellow ball.
You hit the ball over the net.
But the scoring is weird, Emma.
Why?
They say 15, 30, 40, and then game. Why not 1, 2, 3?
It's tradition. And do you know what they say for 0?
Yes, they say love.
Correct. 15 love means 15 to 0.
Why love? Do they love each other?
No, it comes from the French word for egg, l'œuf, because an egg looks like a 0.
Seriously? So they're saying 15 egg?
Basically, yes.
English is crazy. Imagine if I go to the shop. How much is this? It costs love dollars.
That would be funny.
I tried playing tennis, but I hit the ball too hard.
Where did it go?
It went over the fence, into the parking lot. It hit a car. Bonk.
Oh no. Did you run away?
Yes, I ran very fast. That was my exercise for the day.
Audience, can you play tennis? Yes or no?
Let's talk about basketball.
Basketball is very fast. You need to be tall.
I am not tall. I am short. Can I play?
You can try. You have to dribble the ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
And then you shoot. You throw it into the hoop, basket.
If you are very good, you can do a slam dunk.
A slam dunk? Is that a type of donut?
No, it is when you jump high and put the ball directly into the hoop. Boom.
I cannot jump high. I jump like an elephant. Thump.
Maybe you can be the referee.
The referee wears a black and white shirt. He looks like a zebra.
Be respectful, Kevin.
Students, do you like basketball? Do you like the NBA?
Now, let's talk about water sports. Swimming.
I like the idea of swimming, but I don't like getting wet.
Kevin, you cannot swim without getting wet.
Can I swim in an empty pool?
No, that is dangerous. Do you know the different styles?
Yes, there is the brushstroke, like a frog.
And the backstroke.
That is swimming on your back. That is my favorite because I can float and sleep.
You cannot sleep in the pool. You will sink.
And there's the butterfly.
That is very hard. You need strong arms.
I don't have strong arms. I have spaghetti arms.
Do you like the ocean? Surfing?
No way. The ocean has sharks, big sharks with teeth.
Not everywhere. Surfing is cool. You stand on a board.
I cannot stand on the floor without falling. How can I stand on water?
Good point. Stay on the beach, Kevin. Build a sandcastle.
Yes, sandcastle building is my sport. I am an Olympic champion of sandcastles.
Speaking of Olympics, do you watch the Olympic Games?
Yes, every 4 years. I love the gymnastics.
They are amazing. They jump and flip.
And the running, the 100-meter sprint, Usain Bolt, whoosh.
They run so fast.
I can run fast too.
Really? When?
When the ice cream truck is driving away. Wait, stop. I need vanilla.
That is true motivation.
What about gold medals?
The winner gets gold. Second place gets silver. Third place gets bronze.
What does fourth place get?
Nothing. Maybe a handshake?
That is sad. They should get a cookie. Good job. Here's a cookie.
I agree.
Audience, what is your favorite Olympic sport?
Now, let's talk about the gym. Exercise.
Ugh, the gym. The place of torture.
Exercise is good for you. It makes you strong and healthy.
I joined a gym once. I went for 1 day.
What did you do?
I walked on the treadmill, the running machine.
That is good.
But I forgot to stop it. I tried to drink water and I fell off. Crash! I flew backwards.
Oh my gosh. Were you okay?
I was embarrassed. Everyone looked at me. I pretended to do push-ups. I meant to do that.
Do you lift weights?
I try. I pick up the heavy metal things. Grrr. My face turns purple.
You have to be careful. Don't lift too much.
I lift the small pink ones. They are 1 kilogram.
That is a start.
And I do yoga.
Yoga is relaxing. You stretch your body.
I like the downward dog, but I like the sleeping pose best. It's called Savasana. You just lie on the floor.
Did you fall asleep in yoga class?
Yes, I started snoring. Zzz. The teacher threw a yoga mat at me.
Kevin, you are terrible.
Students, do you go to the gym or do you exercise at home?
Let's talk about extreme sports.
Extreme? Like dangerous?
Yes, like skydiving, jumping out of a plane.
No way. Why would I jump out of a perfectly good plane?
For the thrill, for the adrenaline.
No, thank you. I like the ground. The ground is my friend.
What about bungee jumping? You jump off a bridge with a rope.
You are crazy, Emma. I get dizzy when I stand on a chair.
What about rock climbing?
I climbed a tree once to rescue a cat,
That is brave.
but then I got stuck. The firemen had to come and rescue me, and the cat jumped down by itself.
So the cat rescued you?
Basically, it was humiliating.
Audience, would you try skydiving? Yes or no?
Emma, let's talk about sports idioms.
Oh, good idea. English has many phrases that come from sports.
Like, hit a home run.
That comes from baseball. It means you did a great job. Kevin, your video hit a home run.
Thank you. What about, the ball is in your court?
That comes from tennis. It means it is your turn to make a decision.
Okay. What about, throw in the towel?
That comes from boxing. When the boxer gives up, they throw a towel. It means to quit.
I throw in the towel when I do math homework.
And get the ball rolling.
That means to start something.
Exactly. Let's get the ball rolling on this project.
English is very sporty.
Yes, even if you don't play sports, you use these words.
Students, did you know these idioms? Write one in the comments.
Now let's talk about winning and losing.
I like winning. I am a winner.
When you win, you are the champion. You get a trophy.
I have a trophy
Really? For what?
for Best Pizza Eater 2015. It is a gold pizza slice.
That is unique.
But I don't like losing. Losing makes me sad.
You have to be a good sport. You say, good game. You shake hands.
I cry a little bit, and then I eat ice cream to feel better.
What if the score is the same? 2-2?
That is a draw or a tie.
Is a draw boring?
Yes, it is like watching paint dry. Somebody must win.
Sometimes they have overtime, extra time.
Or a penalty shootout in football. That is very exciting.
Yes, the pressure is high.
I cannot watch. I cover my eyes. Tell me when it's over.
Audience, are you a bad loser? Do you get angry when you lose?
Emma, what sport should we play together?
We could play badminton.
Badminton? With the little feather thing, the shuttlecock?
Yes, it is fun and easy.
Okay, but don't hit me with the racket.
Or we could go bowling.
Bowling. Yes, I like bowling. The ball is heavy.
And you have to wear funny shoes.
I look good in funny shoes.
But Kevin, last time we went bowling, you dropped the ball on your foot.
I know. My toe was blue for a week.
Maybe we should just play video games. Esports.
Yes, FIFA or Mario Kart. I am a professional at Mario Kart.
Is that a real sport?
Yes, my fingers get a workout. Click, click, click. Look at my thumb muscles.
Okay, Kevin, whatever you say.
Students, do you like video games? Is it a sport? Debate in the comments.
Wow, we talked about so many sports today.
I feel tired just talking. I need a nap.
Let's review the new words. Repeat after us.
Football/soccer.
Kick the ball into the goal.
Cricket.
Bat, ball, wickets, and runs.
Tennis.
Racket, net, and love. 0.
Basketball.
Dribble and shoot into the hoop.
Swimming.
Moving in water. Don't sink.
Gym.
The place to exercise and lift weights.
Referee.
The person who checks the rules. Whistle.
Stadium.
The big place where we watch sports.
Fan/spectator.
The person watching. That's us.
Champion.
The winner.
You guys are champions of English.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
We want to know about you.
Today's question is, what is your favorite sport to play and what is your favorite sport to watch?
Sometimes they are different.
I like to play tennis, but I like to watch gymnastics.
I like to play video games, and I like to watch football because of the snacks.
Write your answer in the comments.
I like to play cricket.
I like to watch basketball.
Tell us. We read every single comment.
Thank you for watching this huge video.
You are getting stronger in English every day. English muscles.
Please like and subscribe.
Hit the bell icon. Ding! That's the final bell.
See you next time on English Daily Flow.
Bye-bye.